In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add my voice to Notebooklm. To begin, open your notebook in Notebooklm. Make sure you are inside the specific notebook where you want the audio summary or narration to be generated. This matters because Notebooklm builds the audio overview based on the sources and notes that are saved in that notebook. If the wrong notebook is open, the audio you generate will not match what you intended. Once your notebook is open, look for the audio overview section. In that area, you will see a pencil icon. Click the pencil icon to open the instructions panel for audio overview. This is where you tell Notebooklm exactly how you want the audio to sound and what it should focus on. Take a moment here because clearer instructions usually lead to better results. Inside the instructions, you can guide the tool in a few key ways. You can tell it to focus on a particular topic or section, which is helpful if your notebook contains multiple themes. You can also choose the language you want the audio to be generated in. Next, set the length. Depending on what you need, select a short option for a quick summary, default for a standard overview, or long if you want more detail and context. You can also choose a format. For example, a deep dive format will lean into explanation and detail, while a critique format will be more analytical and evaluative. Choose the style that matches your purpose, whether you are studying, preparing a presentation, or reviewing material. Now, an important note: you cannot upload or add your own main voice directly into Notebooklm. However, you can still influence the voice style by typing your preference into the instructions box. For example, you can write something like, "Use a professional narrator voice," or specify the tone you want, such as calm, energetic, or formal. Keep these directions simple and specific, so the system can follow them more accurately. After you finish customizing everything in the pencil icon panel, click Generate. Give it a few moments to process. When it completes, you will have a new audio overview based on your instructions. If the result is not quite right, return to the pencil icon, adjust your instructions, and generate again. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.